Here are instructions on how to use the dishwasher. So first off, we just put the dishwasher tablet in here and we close. Then we press the on button and then we have these programs to choose from. What I would recommend is to put it on 90 minutes because it has high heat and it's done fast. And you also have this feature here, which makes it half the time. So it would no longer be 90 minutes, it would be 45 minutes if you select this. And then you just press play and that's it.